it's Laura Kelly here, and I snuck into the Hedgehog Hollow studio with Alexandra's daughter,
Hi.
Maddi, and Maddi and I are going to show you how to make and spread some kindness this autumn, right?
Yes.
How do you feel about kindness?
It's not shared that much, that
And
often.
it should be, shouldn't it? We need to
Yes.
do everything we can to spread love and kindness in the world. So we are going to use a Cricut maker today and some of my favorite markers from Ooly. So those are super fun. What's your favorite color?
Red and black.
Red and black. Oh, I think I know why. I know who one of your favorite characters is. So we're going to use these smooth hues. These are great, vibrant colors. They're washable, and they are made by Ooly. So we're going to go ahead and get those out. And on the Cricut machine over here, we have some leaves that are already designed. You can get these on the Hedgehog Hollow blog. I'm not sure how that's going to happen since I'm a sneak in here in the studio, but we're going to figure out how to have Mommy make that happen. And right now we're just going to go ahead and cut some more. So we're going to hit continue here. And when it's ready, it's going to blink. This machine is so amazing. It cuts so many different things. It wants to know what we're cutting on. We're cutting on cardstock. And there it goes. It's saying put your paper in. This is just regular cardstock, right?
Yes.
And then we're going to click on the Cricut. And it is going to cut the leaves out for us. We have some already cut. But look how amazing this is. It does it so fast. Do you love the Cricut machine?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing to cut out on the Cricut machine?
I like to do infusible ink.
Infusible inks. I haven't even tried those yet, but I've done vinyl, glitter vinyl, iron-on vinyls, and all kinds of things like that. So I'm just new to the Cricut, but really having fun learning about it and making things. So it's just going to whip out 6 leaves super fast, and then I'm going to hand that to Maddi, and she's going to punch them out, or peel them off. So this is a little bit sticky. The Cricut mats are a little bit sticky, so they hold your paper or your vinyl to the mat while they cut it out. And it's working in what's called the design space. So if you are not a Cricut user and you're new to Cricut like me, then that's good to know. The design space by Cricut offers tons and tons of designs for you, or you can design your own if you know how.
Yes.
Or if you have a mommy who knows how, right?
I can sometimes do it.
Right. And so when this arrow blinks, you know what to do, right?
Yes.
Push the arrow and go ahead and take it out and show them how easy that is to get those off. You can put it right down here because we have a camera overhead. Just peel the whole thing right off. And then you have your leaves. Just like that, right? That's enough because we can use these.
Okay.
We just wanted to show them how it's done, right?
Yes.
Right. So you want to peel those off? And we have some cut out here. So we're going to use these markers now to write kindness messages. Who would we give these to, do you think?
Maybe the next people in the line are the drive-thrus.
Oh, yeah, like paying it forward kind of
Yes.
thing? Or if you go out to dinner and you leave a tip for your
Yes.
waiter or waitress, you could leave like a little note with it. What about school? Is there anybody at school you want to give a kindness note to? Maybe a
Friend?
or a teacher or the principal? Or you go to Catholic school, so
Yes.
do you have a principal?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe we need to make kindness with them. We picked some fall colors from our cardstock collection, and we are going to use the markers to decorate our leaves, and then we're going to show you how to attach them to the cards. So I'm going to just go ahead and pop all of these out to make it easier for us to get to them. Move this to the side. And I think I'm going to match like orange up with orange. Do you want to match a color or do you want to do something different? It's totally up to you.
I'm going to blend.
Okay. So I am going to give this one just some orange dots. These work so great. They are so fantastic. I love their tips. They can write thin and thick depending on how you hold them. And we are just pretty much doodling on the leaves. Give it some little dots in there. Give it lots of color. And then I'm going to use this tape right here. Uh-oh, you dropped yours on the floor. Go ahead and grab it. I'm going to use this tape runner just to put some tape on the back of my leaf. Put my leaf on my card. And then I'm going to write a message. And my message is going to say, you are Awesome. Amazing. Loved.
Exuberant.
Exuberant. Oh, you can put that one on yours. I don't even know if I can spell that. You are loved. How about that? And then I'm going to go around my card to just kind of give it some framing with some dots and stripes. You could do swirls or doodles or all kinds of different things. You are loved. And my kindness card's ready. So I'm going to put the first one right here, and I'm going to do another one. This time I'm going to use yellow and yellow. That's really pretty what you're doing over there. And then I'm going to come through here with some orange. I'm going to do this one kind of like a plaid. I'm going to add some red going this way. And some brown. And do all the fall colors on this one. And some dark green. Do you need another red piece of cardstock since that one got some marker on it?
I can do the other side.
Oh, perfect. I love that. I'm gonna, can you please pass me the tape?
Yes.
Thank you. Put the tape on the back of this one. This one's just gonna say, Happy Fall. And down in North Carolina where I live, people say y'all. Happy fall, y'all. And on this one, I'm just going to do some squiggles. So these are a great thing to do with kids to help them spread love and kindness. And like Maddi said, everyone can use a little more kindness, right? Happy fall, y'all. You will always have kindness in your heart. I love that. Kids come up with the most amazing thoughts if we just give them space to share it, right? So there are some cards made with the Cricut and Ooly markers. And is there anything else you want people to know about kindness?
Kindness should always be spread no matter what mood you're in.
Yeah, kindness is free. It's free. You can just give it away all the time. You can just give it, give it, give it. So we hope that you love this. If you like it, YouTube is new to me. So I think you subscribe. You click like. The links are down in the comments. What else am I supposed to say here?
Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure to spread the kindness.
And there you have it. And I have a new YouTube channel that we're just launching, Laura Kelly Designs. So go check that out. I don't think there's any videos there yet, but they're coming soon because I am learning from the Hedgehog Hollow, kids and all, because they are some of the kindest people I know. So we are going to sneak back upstairs now. Nobody will ever even know we were down here, right? Yes. And we hope you'll go spread lots of kindness. So yep, ring that bell, hit the notification button, and spread kindness. Happy crafting!
Bye!
Bye!